Hello friends, let's learn long E sound words. In this video, let's learn fun words with long E sound. Ready? This is bee. Children, say with me, bee. This is a tree. Say with me, tree. This is sea. Say with me, sea. So, what is a long E sound? The question is, what is long E sound? So, the long E sound says its name E. Like in these words, me, she, we. Let's learn these spellings. M-E, me. S-H-E, she. Children, say with me, she. W-E, we. We. B-double-E, we. We. S-double-E, C. C. T-H-R-double-E, three. Three. The double E pattern. Double E says E. When you see double E, say the long E sound, okay? This is bee, a buzzing insect. B-E-E, bee. Tree. This is a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Grown in a forest. See. S-E-E, see. To look with eyes. Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. At the end of the leg. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A woolly animal. Sleep. Time to rest. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Like candy. Deep. D-E-E-P, deep. Means far down. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. On a car. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. A royal lady. Green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Color of grass. The E-A pattern, another long E. E-A says E. When you see E-A, say the long E sound, okay? Let's see example. S-E-A, a big water body. E-A-T, eat, to munch on food. Eat. T-E-A-C-H, teach, to help someone learn. Beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach, sand by the ocean. Read. R-E-A-D, read, means looking at the book. Beat. B-E-A-T, beat, a rhythm you hear. Tea. T-E-A-T. Children, say with me, tea. Leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clean. T-E-A-M, team, team. Y at the end, another long E. When Y comes at the end of the word, it often makes the long E sound. Y says E. Let's see the examples. B-A-B-Y, baby. A little one, baby. H-A-P-P-Y, happy, means feeling good, happy. Candy, C-A-N-D-Y, candy, means sweet treat. Bunny, B-U-N-N-Y, bunny, a fluffy rabbit. Okay, funny, make you laugh, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Puppy, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy, means a baby dog. Rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, water from the sky. Dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty, means not clean. Tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny, means very small. Okay, now the split vowel pattern like E, then E. The magic of split vowel, the first E says E and the last E is silent. Okay, let's see the examples of this. Like H-E-R-E, here, means this place, here. These, T-H-E-S-E, these, means those ones. Peter, P-E-T-E-R, a boy name, Peter. Theme, T-H-E-M-E, the main idea, theme, right? Scene, S-C-E-N-E, means in a play, scene. Steve, S-T-E-V-E, a boy's name, Steve, right? Even, E-V-E-N, even numbers like 0 to 4. Evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Complete, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete. Okay, the I-E pattern, another long E. Sometimes I-E makes long E. We say E. So when you will see I-E, you can say long E sound. Let's see the examples. F-I-E-L-D, field. Say with me, field. T-H-I-E-F, thief, thief. S-H-I-E-L-D, shield, shield. C-H-I-E-F, chief, chief. B-R-I-E-F, brief, brief. Next is B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe, believe. But some another EA words make different sounds like head, H-E-A-D, head. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Great, G-R-E-A-T, great. B-R-E-A-K, break. So children, hope you enjoyed this video and learnt more. Please subscribe for more educational videos. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.